Helicopters. So after 14 years, that ain't right, 2007, however many years that is, finally got my bezel replaced with proper wood grain style, and got a replacement cigarette lighter. Probably still works, just need to get it cleaned up. Original was broken when somebody broke into the car and stole a bunch of shit. Which is kind of why I'm making this video. I'm gonna show how to pull your bezel without having to break it. And the most common place it breaks is where the cigarette lighter is attached, because people don't bother taking the cigarette lighters apart when they go through the cars in the junkyard. They just rip the bezel right off. And that's what happened to mine when somebody broke in. They just ripped the bezel right off and broke it right at the cigarette lighter. So we'll get this opened up and show you how to take that apart. And you want to have access behind your glove box, and to do that you want to take out this little guy. Forgot what size that is, but mine's already loose. And then the cable comes out like so, and then it just drops down. Now the bezel has 4 screws. This one, the 2 on the top are already removed. The 2 on the bottom actually screws into the original deck that came with the car. Also, the knobs have to be taken off. I don't remember how to do that. Yeah, they should just pop right off. And then the inner knobs as well. Just pops right off. Alright, the bezel is loose, but as you can see, well, that one popped right out, so never mind on that. But you can see the wire, the plug right here. Typically just plugs right in. The new one. And that's why sometimes you may have to go in through the rear if you can't get the wire to pull all the way through. You just lift up on these tabs and pull the wire off the back. And then you just reinsert. And put your screws back in. And the knobs, they have a slotted, so they fit on a certain way. Often just have to turn it until it fits. Or if you remember what position you had it in before you pulled it off, that would help out so much more. And these are a little more easier to identify. They have the flat side, just like on the post. And there you have it. So next time you go through the junkyard, please take apart the cigarette lighter so you don't break the bezel. These are getting harder to find, and sometimes you got to pay more than you want to get a replacement, like I did. Thanks for watching.